These teams are very accurate teams, and all these teams are heavily filtered to crack the Grand Leagues, especially Mega Grand League. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. In this video, we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between Delhi Capitals versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. So for generating the Grand League winning teams, we are going to use our beautiful team generator software. This is a very powerful software and a proven technique to crack the Grand Leagues, especially for this IPL. It is definitely a very useful tool. So let's get started, and let's check the probable playing 11 for the today's match between Delhi Capitals versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. From the Delhi Capitals side, Prithvi Shah, Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, Simran Hetmeyer, Akshar Patel, Ravichandran Ashwin, Kagiso Rabada, Enrich Nortje and Avish Khan will be the probable playing 11 from the Delhi Capitals side. And from the Sunrisers Hyderabad side, David Warner, Ridhwan Saha, Manish Pandey, Kane Williamson, Abdul Samad, Vijay Shankar, Jason Holder, Rashid Khan, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, T. Natarajan and Sandeep Sharma will be the probable playing 11 from the SRH side. These are the probable playing 11. So some few players might change after the toss. You have to decide which player is in the playing 11 and create the teams. So for this video, we are going to use this probable playing 11 for creating Grand League accurate winning teams. So to crack, especially to crack the Mega Grand League. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch. That means it is going to support both batting as well as bowling. And let's analyze some of the stats here. You can see the pitch is Dubai International Cricket Stadium, and pitch behavior is balanced, and average score is 149 runs. And let's analyze the strength of the teams. So here Delhi Capital is favorable side for winning because according to the statistics, Delhi Capital is more stronger than Sunrisers Hyderabad. So we are going to support Delhi Capitals for this match. If you don't want to support any match, you can go for the balanced section in our software. I am going to explain that in a bit. So let's use our beautiful team generator software to generate the accurate Grand League winning teams. So let's jump into our software. So this is the interface of the software. This is the team generator software, very powerful software. And those who don't know about this software, this is a Dream11 team generator software. Not only for Dream11, it also supports MPL, My Team 11 and other various fantasy applications also. So first of all let's click on cricket here, and I will also provide the proper guide of how to use this software in the description box below. Those who are new to this software, you can check that video. So first of all, after that, click on generate teams, and we need to choose the fantasy that we are playing. Here Dream11 is the thing that we are going with, and after that continue, and we need to choose the series. Here we are going to generate the teams for the IPL, right? So let's click on IPL, and after that continue. So there are a lot of generation options here. There are 4 types of sections available here. So these are very powerful sections, and this is the smart generation section, which is newly introduced, and also advanced generation section is a very powerful section also, that is also very powerful. And let's go with the smart generation section in this video. So let's click on continue, and we need to choose the teams in which the match is in between. The match is in between Delhi Capitals versus SRH. So we are going to select DC versus SRH, and after that continue. So here it is asking match number. You can give any match number. Basically match number is for storing your teams. Whatever the teams you generate, we are going to store your teams. We are not going to leave your teams. Whatever the teams you generate, those teams will be stored. So you can give any match number. Let me give you can give any match number, 50 as the match number, and after that continue. And we need to select the at least 6 players from each side. So whatever the probable playing 11 that I have shown, so I am going to select all those players. So you can also select your players. You are not necessarily have to select all the 22 players. You can select 18 players, 16 players, 17 players also from both the teams. So I am going to select all the probable playing 11 quickly here, and so let me quickly select the players. So from the Delhi Capital side, I am going to quickly select the players. So Rabada is there. So Rabada is also there. And where is Avish Khan? So I have selected 11 players from Delhi Capital side, and as well as for the SRS side also I am going to quickly select the players here. And so first of all, let me quickly select the players from SRH side. So, and Jason Holder, Vijay Shankar, these are the probable playing 11. So players might change after the toss, you have to decide. Or if you are sure about some players, then you can go with the probable playing 11 also, that is also fine. And let me quickly select the players. One player is mixing. So these are the 22 players. I have selected all the 22 players, and after that continue. And we need to select the pitch details here. As I told to you, it is a balanced pitch, so click on balanced. And which is the strong team. As I told to you that we are going to support Delhi Capitals, because Delhi Capitals have good record over SRH. So I think Delhi Capital will be the winning side. So let's click on Delhi Capitals. And toss completed or not, toss is not yet completed, right? So you can click on no. If you have generating the teams after the toss, you have to click on yes, and we need to select other options as well. So as of now, toss is not yet completed, so let's click on no. So it is loading, and after that continue. So we can generate any number of teams here. You can generate between 1 to 6,000 teams, that is the maximum limit. So but you don't need that many teams. You can even generate 11 teams, 5 teams, or 20 teams. Let's create 20 teams here, and generate teams here. So you can see the generated teams are successfully stored at match number 50, and all these teams are very accurate teams, and all these teams are heavily filtered to crack the Grand Leagues, especially Mega Grand League for this IPL. So you can see you can print all these teams as PDF format also. And I hope you guys like this video, and those who want the software, I will provide the contact details in the description box below, so you can check that out. So this is a very accurate software. Many of my users are winning lot of good amount. And so I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.